What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Jasmy. The crypto just keeps on pumping guys. As you guys can see, a huge green candlestick can only mean one thing. It has pumped up 52% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at 0.01167 cents. So we're going to be looking at how high is it going to go, how much is it going to pump more over the coming hours, days, weeks and so on, or is it going to crash back down in value. So essentially we are going to cover its predictions over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, and also overall in 2024, what can we expect from Jasmy? Can it get anywhere near the 5 cents target as well, as a lot of people have been saying that as well. And covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is it time to buy, is it time to sell, or is it simply time to hold on to it? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, especially that it is currently getting very close to the resistance target. Can it break out? That's what we're going to be going through later on. So for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the orange line is looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction as well, meaning that is not as realistic because of how steep it looks. However, over the next 12 to 14 hours, so by midday to afternoon time, I'm expecting Jasmy to be heading a much higher, a higher value than where it is at the moment, potentially heading to 0.013 cents in target. Somewhere around that price range is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at. So it is likely to hit more green candles. However, do expect the odd dips in between, just like what's been happening over the last couple of hours. As you guys can see, peaks up in value, takes a little dip, peaks up again. It's a repeated cycle, and that is exactly what I'm expecting to carry on over the next 12 to 14 hours as well. So from this point onwards, it is likely to take a little bit of a step back in value over the coming hours, and then step back up in value to 0.013 cents in the early hours of tomorrow midday. So an overall increase in value is what is expected. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are once again looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the orange line is again looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, meaning it is not as realistic. So over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of this week, early next week, I am expecting Jasmy, well, to be more or less trading around its current price range. Reason for that is, let me get into a little bit more detail. I am expecting it to pump up higher than where it is at the moment over the next couple of days, and then it should slowly start to step back down in value, hitting red candles towards the end of this week, early next week. So dropping back down to its current value is what I'm expecting. So do expect quite a wave, pump up in value, and then step back down for the rest of this week and early next week as well. So essentially hovering around its current price range is where the crypto should be trading at by early next week. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks now, we're looking way too steep guys. We've got both the blue and the orange line looking very bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and they are both looking quite steep as well. So this is not realistic. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys, early to mid-April 2024, I'm expecting Jasmy to be heading over the 2 cents target. Again, Before it does that, it has to go for a price correction. So by late February, early March, I'm expecting it to step back down in value to around 0.007 cents in target, and then slowly start to gain value over the 1 cent target by mid to late March, and in April heading over that, and late April, early May, potentially heading to around the 2 cents target is what I'm expecting. But yes guys, I haven't forgotten about the Bitcoin halving, which is coming in April, and this would have a major impact on the crypto market. But as I get more details on that, more analysis and updates, I will let you guys know on what to expect and what to predict. But at the moment, this is my prediction on Jasmy over the coming weeks and months as well. So talking about Jasmy hitting 5 cents, is it a realistic figure that I can hit in 2024? Personally, is kind of pushing the limits a little bit. Hitting 5 cents when I'm expecting it to take place is potentially over the next 12 to 18 months. So next year is when I'm expecting Jasmy to be heading over to the 5 cents target. Again, I know it's pumping right now, however it has to go for a price correction, and we're gonna have to give it enough time for it to hit 2-3 cents in target. Maximum I would say will go to this year would be around 0.035 cents in value, or maximum 4 cents, depending on how the crypto market performs, and to be specific, how Bitcoin performs as well. If Bitcoin does manage to hit a new all-time high, then of course the crypto market is going to be booming, and Jasmy may have the potential to hit the 5 cents target, but I'm not expecting that right now. So bringing on the Fibonacci scale, as you guys can see, we are trading in the red zone still, but we are getting quite close to the resistance target, which I'm expecting it to hit in March, and potentially head into the green zone by April-May time is what my expectations are at the moment. So bringing on to the CoinMarketCap website, here we can see the trading volume has once again gone up over 80% in the last 24 hours, making it $837 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading, guys. Over the last few days, Jasmy has been a trending crypto. According to Binance, it is the top gainer in the last 24 hours. So of course it is getting a lot of attention and a lot of hype around it. So more and more people are trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view. And in return, the value of Jasmy is also pumping up in value, which again is a win-win situation for both, well, I wouldn't say buyers, but sellers point of view. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Jasmy, guys. Comment down below, how high are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.